reggae upside in them, man. Gold so pure yet spirit made, crown of Zion never fade. Rest upon the righteous head, guide the living, bless the dead. No vanity, no earthly pride, crown of Zion burn inside. It shine with love, it shine with flame, every jewel a holy name. Crown of Zion bright and true, bless the chosen, me and you. No king of man can take away, crown of Jah forever stay. It come from root of David's line, crown eternal, crown divine. It mark the child of righteous ways, keep the faithful all them days. No hand can steal, no tongue can mock, crown of Zion firm as rock. Glory fall like morning dew, crown of Jah forever new. It shine upon the prophets old, it tell the story love has told. It guide the people through the flame, keep them steady, call Jah name. Every star in heaven bright, crown of Zion share the light. From dawn of time to kingdom come, crown of love for everyone. Me see the crown in vision clear, it says stand firm, don't live in fear. It bless the poor, it heal the weak.
À bientôt les copains pour de nouvelles aventures avec la team tondeuse. See you soon friends for new adventures with the team tondeuse.